good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now, happy July 1st. Today is the 1st of July 2019, but it doesn't come with the best news. What I'm hearing is that Alfa Romeo cars are no longer sold. There's a stop still in Casino. Now, that is Alfa Romeo's Casino plant that stopped production of the Stelvio, Giulia and Giulietta in July due to the drop in global demand. Now, it's been reported that the sales crisis of Alfa Romeo seems to have no end. As we have seen in the official sales figures for last May, registrations of the Bichon car manufacturer have been declining all over the world. Now, the FCA factory at Casino continues to be affected by this situation, where the cars of their historic brand are produced. Productions continue to decline, and therefore layoffs is increasingly common. Now, recently a stop has been confirmed at the plant in Piedemonte San Germano. Now, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles in fact communicated the CIG for the days 18, 19, 22, 25, 26 of July for all three models that are produced in Casino. And that's for the Alfa Romeo Stelvio, Giulia and Giulietta. Unfortunately, for the moment, import news should not arrive for the Casino, as therefore the situation should continue like this and also the next months. Now, it is obviously hoped that there will be something new for 2020 that could boost production. Obviously, we know what's coming for 2020, which should change things around big time. Now, the head of Fiat Chrysler in Europe confirmed investments of 5 billion euros in Italy by the Italian-American group, guaranteeing the full employment of all the plants by the end of 2020. And we know that Alfa Romeo has a big lineup coming by that time, so it makes the most sense. Now, declines in sales are typical. It's stuff that happens in the automotive industry all the time, so no picking on Alfa Romeo for this one. But just to let you guys know that there have been layoffs in the plants, that there have been stops on making these models. So get out there, get some Alfa Romeos, go test drive them, see what you think. I think you guys will be very impressed. Or you can watch Ron's Rides videos to see what I think about the vehicles, which I'm very impressed by them. Now, with that said, what do you guys think about the slow in the production? And what do you guys think about the 5 billion euros being invested till 2022, which means that, you know, they're getting ready for those other models coming, like the GTV, the 8C, and stuff like the Tonale. You guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this? And do you think it's just a little small temporary hiccup that will be changed very shortly? If you guys learned something today and enjoyed the information in the video, definitely give it a like. It definitely helps the channel in the rankings, supports it, and gets it up there so more people can see it and we can have a bigger conversation. Also, if you guys want to support the channel, check the links below for the Ron's Rides merch, for the shirts, for the hoodies, pillows, everything like that. Also, check the links below for the PayPal. You can do a one-time donation, $1, $2, whatever it is always appreciated. You can also do the Patreon subscription as well. Now, you can also check out my social media links, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, see what I'm posting next, see what's going down. Now, subscribe to Ron's Rides for more Ron's Rides videos and click the notification bell to get them right into your inbox. With that said, guys, we will talk to you in the next video. You guys be blessed. Thank you for spending your time with me. Drive safe, and we'll talk to you then. Peace.